So last year, back in 2024, HONOR actually launched a laptop that went viral, okay? And that's none other than the HONOR MagicBook Art 14. So this year, they launched a brand new version with the same name. So let's see what are the upgrades. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So in this video, we are going to look at this. This is the 2025 version of the HONOR MagicBook Art 14, okay? So let's talk about why it went viral. Now the first reason why the MagicBook Art 14 went viral is because it has a secret compartment that keeps a secret part of the laptop, which is the camera, okay? So it's the same here. All we need to do is press on the side and then the camera will pop out. See, so this is the camera, okay? And we can freely snap on to the top of the screen like this to face you, or you can remove it and attach it again to face whatever that you're looking at. So this is one of the reasons why it went viral last year, because of the privacy camera. So with this AI magnetic camera, right, now they are able to achieve very thin bezels around the screen. And of course, software features like figure tracking, whereby the camera can actually follow the subject when you move around. There's also AI eye contact to actually turn your eye from looking elsewhere to the camera, and of course, some other features. Now the second reason why it went viral is because this thing is only 1 centimeter thick and 1 kilogram in weight, okay? It is super light because of the magnesium alloy chassis and of course the titanium side of the keyboard. So through this integration of design featuring a vapor chamber uniform heat plate and antennas, coupled with intelligent golden antenna system, the ultra-thin bionic VC cooling architecture, it ensures exceptional communication performance and thermal management. Now the third reason is because of the display, okay? The MagicBook Art 14 comes with a 14.6-inch OLED 3.1K resolution display, and people are actually saying that, oh, I actually don't need a 15-inch laptop to have a display which is 15-inch because of the 14.6-inch, which is similar, okay, but in a very small body. Apart from the screen, it also has 2.2mm super narrow bezel, which is 97% screen to body ratio. And of course, when it comes to HONOR, there's also cutting-edge eye protection features. For example, 4320Hz PWM flicker-free dimming, TUV Rhineland low blue light certification, and of course flicker-free certification, dynamic dimming, and also e-book mode. So how do they elevate the 2025 version of the MagicBook Art 14 so that it continues to go viral? Well, they have actually used a brand new color to match the Pantone color of the year 2025, which is mocha brown. It basically looks very trendy and also very fashionable, no matter whether you're holding it in a hand, you put it on a table at a cafe, or even just having it around you. They've also upgraded the display, and now HONOR has put in AR coating so that it is anti-glare and also anti-reflection. So as you can see here, the light reflection actually has been minimized compared to other laptops or even the previous generation. And without any extra cost, okay, HONOR is like, it's okay, we will charge you, zero money for this upgrade, which is the processor. Now it's been upgraded to Intel Core Ultra 7 processor from the previous generation, which is Intel Core Ultra 5. With this new processor, it comes with 16 cores and 16 threads, and it ensures seamless multitasking and responsive performance for daily tasks, creative workflows, and demanding applications. There's also ultra-thin vapor chamber cooling system that uses a silent dual fan design at 0.8mm ultra-thin vapor chambers and 0.075mm ultra-thin copper fins to optimize internal space, also to reduce the weight. HONOR also upgraded the RAM and also the storage, okay, with no extra cost. Now you get 32GB of RAM and 1TB SSD. Not forgetting cross-OS connectivity, and that also means with the MagicBook Art 14, you can now connect to iPhone or even Android. What other upgrades has HONOR put into this laptop? Well, battery. Now the 60 watt-hour battery can actually let you last for 13.2 hours if you continuously watch 1080p video. And with HONOR Turbo X, which is a system-level performance and power optimization engine, through advancement in CPU power efficiency, it is able to achieve 29% increase in battery life compared to the previous generation, extending usage by an additional 2 hours. And not forgetting, there's also 65 watt HONOR Supercharge. Although it is very thin at only 1 cm, HONOR actually included a lot of connectivity ports, okay, just in case you have a lot of gadgets that you want to plug into your laptop. So the ports include one Thunderbolt 4 port, one USB-C port, one USB-A port, one HDMI port, and one 3.5mm headphone jack. Just in case you've tried the Trackpad on the MacBook, right? The HONOR MagicBook 14 also has very similar technology, which is glass pressure sensitive trackpad. And with this trackpad, we can do a lot of gestures, including single knuckle for screenshot, double knuckle for screen recording, swipe up and down on the left side to adjust brightness, swipe up and down on the right side to adjust volume, and many more. Other component updates including 6 speakers, which includes 4 woofers and 2 tweeters.
Tell us about your journey to Dysfunction Junction.
Well, we've been official partners for 1 week. Happy anniversary! And we are functioning fine, better than fine. And
now, another very exclusive feature when you buy or own HONOR devices is the HONOR Magic Ring. So with HONOR Magic Ring, you have connected input, and that also means your keyboard and mouse can freely move between your computer, your phone, your tablet, just to enable you to drag, copy, paste files across devices. Other features I'm sure you've seen before is like connected call, connected notification, connected camera, and these are all standard features now with all the new HONOR devices. Some other features that is worth mentioning are favorite space, which is also something like Huawei's Super Hub for you to store text, store media and stuff like that, and also HONOR Notes. So this HONOR Notes allows you to access your notes on any device logged into the same HONOR ID. So the package including a very trendy laptop with a brand new Pantone 2025 color, very thin body, very lightweight, and also all the features including this magnetic camera, and the cost is only $5,999. And if you get this, you can actually get free gift, including 1 year 365 personal Microsoft subscription and also an HONOR backpack. And that's a total worth of 508 ringgit. So if you're interested in getting the HONOR MagicBook Art 14, check out the description below, whereby I've already put the link to find out more. Okay, so if you love videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, share this with your friends, and also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, everywhere. My name is Smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo.